day-to-day language, if we say an object is decelerating or undergoing a deceleration, we just mean that it's slowing down. Now, another word we can use for that, or you might say in exams, is rather than deceleration, you might see the word retardation, but it just means the same thing. Another way we can describe a deceleration is just by saying it's a negative acceleration, and in fact that's how we use it in equations. We don't have any special equations for deceleration, we just use it as an acceleration, but we put it in as being negative. So let's see how we use that in particular situation. So let's say a question says an object has a deceleration of 5 meters per second. When they say it has a deceleration of 5 meters per second, what we're actually knowing from that is that the acceleration is actually minus 5 meters per second squared. So what that means is if we have, say, a person running and they are at a very fast pace of 20 meters per second, that would mean 1 second later their velocity would be 15 meters per second, because an acceleration of minus 5 meters per second squared, or deceleration of 5 meters per second squared, means that every single second they're going to slow down by 5 meters per second. So another second later their velocity is going to be down to 5 meters per second. So you can see every single second it's reducing by 5 meters per second. So when we deal with decelerations, we use them as negative accelerations, and it just means the velocity will decrease by a particular amount each second. And remember, if you see the word deceleration or retardation, we use that in equations as negative accelerations.